Ever feel like no matter how hard you try to be responsible with money, you still end up broke by the 25th? It's like you're playing a game where the rules keep changing, and you're always losing. They keep saying it's simple. Just budget, stop buying coffee. But bro, life's expensive. Rent, bills, subscriptions, inflation. It's like every dollar disappears before you can even touch it. It's wild how they never taught us this in school. Like, they want us to stay confused, because when you don't understand money, you depend on the system. It's frustrating. Man, you're grinding every day, maybe even working 2 jobs. And still, your account looks like a dessert. It's not laziness, it's burnout. If you keep living paycheck to paycheck, you're not just broke, you're trapped. And the scariest part, you start thinking that's just normal life. But here's the thing. Being smart with money doesn't have to feel like a full-time job. You just need habits that feel natural, that actually fit your life. You don't need a finance degree or millionaire parents to master money. You just need better habits. Hey, I'm Sam, and this is Sam the Finance Channel, where we break down money talk in a way that actually makes sense. Hit that subscribe button if you want to grow your wallet without losing your mind. Quick heads up. This video is for education and entertainment. I'm not your financial advisor, but I am your financial friend. In this video, we'll go through 7 powerful money habits that feel effortless, and I'll show you how small tweaks today can make a big difference in your future. Welcome to Smart Money Habits that don't feel like work. Let's dive in. Yo, ever feel like managing money is way too much work? What if your cash just handled itself while you chilled? Habit number 1. Automate like a pro. Let your money flow automatically so you don't gotta stress every paycheck. Set it up so every time you get paid, 10% slides into savings, 5 into investments, and 5 into guilt-free fun. That's your money taking care of you. Picture this, your money moves itself, like your future self sending you cash every payday. That's next level adulting. Most people try to budget manually, and let's be real, they usually flop. Automation saves you from that mess. Remember what James Clear said, the best way to stick to a plan is to make it impossible to forget. Set it once and win every month. Yo, before we jump into the grind, let's talk smart money habits that don't feel like work. This one's about securing your bag the easy way, paying yourself first. Here's the deal, treat saving like rent. It's not optional. You don't skip rent, right? So don't skip paying your future self either. Even if it's just $20 a week, that's over $1,000 a year, bro. Let that compound. And boom, free money from your future self. Imagine checking your account and actually having a cushion. No panic, no stress. Just pure chill knowing you're covered. Most people save what's left after spending. But the real pros? They save first and spend what's left. That's how you flip the game. Remember, you're the CEO of you, and your first paycheck should always go to your best employee, you. You ever look at your bank app and think, bro, where did my money even go? Yeah, same. That's what happens when we spend on autopilot instead of with purpose. Here's the big idea. It's not about what you buy. It's about why you buy it. When you know your reason, your money moves with meaning, not impulse. Most of us emotionally spend without realizing it. That extra $200 to $500 a month, that just disappears. That's like throwing your future goals off a cliff. Imagine your wallet like a group chat. Every dollar's got a voice. The question is, who are you giving the mic to? Your goals or your impulses? Real talk, society sells us self-care as shopping sprees. But honestly, real self-care is financial peace, not more stuff. Every dollar you spend is a vote for the kind of life you want. So spend like you're building your dream, not escaping your reality. We all dream about being rich one day. But here's the truth. It's not about luck. It's about starting early. You don't need to wait for a big paycheck. Even $50 a month can grow into something massive if you just start now. Think of it like planting seeds. The earlier you plant, the bigger the shade you'll chill under later. If you keep waiting for extra cash, you'll miss out on the magic of compounding. It's like skipping a power-up in a game. Your future self will thank you. Imagine chilling with coffee while your money's out there working for you. The best time to start was yesterday, but the second best time, it's right now. Don't wait. Just start. Yo, tracking your money doesn't have to feel like doing homework. It's more about knowing where your cash is going, not judging every penny. The goal isn't perfection. Man, it's awareness. Just check in once a week, see what's up, and move on with your life. 10 minutes a week is all you need, dude. Just enough to know your money moves. Not enough to stress about it. The real flex, feeling in control without feeling trapped. You manage your money. It doesn't manage you. Too much tracking. Total burnout. Keep it chill. Stay consistent. And don't overthink it. Remember, what gets measured gets managed. You're not tracking to judge. You're tracking to grow. Yo, imagine this. Your vibe and your money game are totally shaped by what's around you. The people, the places, the energy, all of it builds your financial mindset. Real talk, your income usually matches your 5 closest friends. If your crew is always broke and complaining, guess what? You'll start thinking small too. Now, picture this. You're chilling with people who talk stocks, side hustles, and passive income instead of just flexing expenses. That's a game changer. If you keep hanging with people who are financially chaotic, that energy sticks to you. It's like trying to grow in a dark room with no sunlight. You'll stay stuck. So level up your circle. Be around people who push you, challenge you, and talk about growth. That energy makes success feel natural, not forced. Remember, you're the average of the 5 people you hang with the most. So choose your tribe wisely. Your wallet depends on it. Ever felt like you're grinding but still not feeling rich? Maybe it's 'cause you're chasing someone else's version of success. Real wealth starts when you define what actually makes you feel alive. You can't win a game if you don't even know your own scoreboard. If you don't define what winning means for you, you'll spend your life playing for someone else's team. Most people chase money but forget to define happiness. That's why 78% of people keep running, but never arrive anywhere that feels good. Imagine waking up every day in a life that fits you, not some Instagram highlight reel. That's real wealth, being pumped to live your own vibe. Chasing trends just keeps you broke and tired. Build your own track, something that's yours, not a copy-paste from the internet. Like Maya Angelou said, success is liking yourself, liking what you do, and liking how you do it. That's the kind of rich that no bank can measure. So, to wrap it up, automate your cash, pay yourself first, spend with purpose, invest early, track smart, upgrade your circle, and define your version of rich. Money habits don't have to suck. They can fit into your life so naturally. You don't even notice until your bank account starts smiling. If this helped you out, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and share this with a friend who keeps saying, "I'll start saving next month." Which of these habits do you think is hardest to stick to? Drop your answer in the comments. I'll be replying to some of them. This is Sam from Sam the Finance Channel. Smart money moves start here. Stay sharp, stay humble, and keep stacking. Not just cash, but wisdom. Catch you in the next one.